significant. Okay, significant. It means your result is significant. Result significant means what? We reject null hypothesis. This is right. Our hypothesis is right. There is a relationship. Okay, there is a relationship.
So if this one is different from this, so
this is what we hypothesize. This is what we hypothesize, right? For example, in their case, in your hypothesis, there is a difference between gender in experience of uploading video. So now we want to test. Really have a difference? Really there's a relationship? We want to test, right? Okay, so we use chi-square test to test. If these are nominal, if this is interval, you got to use correlation. Okay, right? So like this, right? So you report like this. When you write, you can write like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. So first thing, very simple. You just like the ABC. First thing, look at p-value. More than 0.05, not significant. Less than 0.05, significant. Okay. And this is your chi-square value. Right. Just report this first row enough. Okay. First row enough. The first row. Like this. Like this only.
Yeah, so
now, if you have, let's say, for example, okay. Let's save. Never, we save later lah. Answer first. Okay. If let's say I want to see, right, for example, the here. Now let's say any two interval scale that you have. How is it easy for you to watch video? And let me see another one. Contents of advertisement. How privacy is important, you are satisfied. Okay, let's say this one. Let's say these two have intellectual property is important to you. Okay, and you are satisfied. Privacy also can do. Okay, right now statistics. Now, because these two are interval scales, you give them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to choose. Both variables also using interval scales, right? So you got to use correlations. We want to see the relationship between these two variables. One up, another one up or down. Okay? This one up, this one down. Or this one up, this one up, also up.
So if the scale is same, we use this one.
If the scale is interval scale, you let them choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one you use when nominal scale or categorical scale. Okay, categorical scale, right? Okay, this one is interval scale. Okay, so we want to see the relationship between two variables. Okay, right? So I click correlation. Okay, new. Okay, then I can see the correlation here, right? Now I can see, like, for example, the here, right? The Pearson R. We look at the R value. Okay, right? Then you can see 0.03 is less than 0.05. Okay, so your result is significant. That means there is a relationship between these two variables. Those who think intellectual property is important also think privacy is important. These two variables has positive relationship. How we know it's positive? Because there is a positive sign. Okay, right? The R value has a positive sign. If there's negative sign, negative relationship means one up, one down. Negative relationship. Positive relationship, one up, or down, down. Okay, so you can report like this. Like this only. Click only, you get an answer already. Ask blur ask you better ask now.